to join you today as we mark a major milestone in our battle against COVID-19. We can now see the light at the end of the tunnel as the vaccine shipments have started to arrive in bulk. This development is the result of our national government's aggressive efforts to secure sufficient doses from the different manufacturers. With the start of our mass vaccination, the A4 priority category, our workers in both public and private sector will have an added layer of protection against the disease. To my dear kababayans, let us keep in mind that vaccination is the only way forward for us to overcome this pandemic.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.